What's going on? It's Elusive here, back with another CRZ video. It's actually been off the channel for a little while, not that long, but I did make a video about putting hood struts in, so if you guys missed that, be sure to check it out. I'll put it right up here in the top right for you guys. But yeah, we are actually installing the metal door handles today in this video. So I'm sure some of you are aware of that. If you are not aware, I will explain it real quick. So as some of you know, this is a door handle on the Honda CRZ, and they are very prone to break because the door is very heavy, and these are made of plastic, mainly the connections here.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Are made of plastic. So the solution that people have made over the years is making these metal, yada yada yada. So today I'm here to test to see if that's actually true. So people that have installed these have had no problems, but then again, people who have installed plastic ones have had no problems. So today we're going to be testing to see how nice these are to install. So these do come with a pretty hefty price. People have been selling these for $320 for a set, which is actually kind of insane thinking about it. The plastic ones will run you a little cheaper than that, but yeah, today we're going to be testing out these to see how they look. And obviously they don't come paint matched or nothing, so obviously that's all on you. I will show you guys what I did to paint match them to my black. So there are a few ways you guys can get them to your color. One obviously being painting them, which is a pretty easy solution. I chose to vinyl wrap them. So I used a vivid vinyl, really high gloss black. So my CRZ is a Nighthawk, whatever it fucking is, Nighthawk Pearl, whatever the black is for the CRZ. I'll put it in the description, whatever my color code is. But I got a vinyl from Vivid Vinyl that actually looks pretty close to what my paint color is. And once I get it paint corrected, you won't really notice. So you'll see this is what you're opening up to the door handle. You're not going to see the rest of this. That's not wrapped. So I wrapped all the main parts you're going to be able to see. So yeah, unless you wrap them or paint them, it's going to look pretty weird in my opinion. So I did that. There's a few ways you can do that. There's a bunch of companies that make like Duplicolor. Makes paint to match it. You can do whatever you guys want to do. I tried wrapping it because I know it's a lot easier than getting it right with paint, but you guys can do whatever you want to do. Like I said, the wrap was about $10. It was about $10-12, and it comes with a giant roll. So I think it was like 2 feet by 5 feet or something like that. So it comes with a giant roll. So yeah, if I need this for anything else now, I have quite a bit of extra roll. So that's what I chose to do with door handles. Obviously wrapping them was what I chose. You guys can do whatever you want. You can leave them how they are. Honestly, it's a visual thing. Honestly, it doesn't affect anything. So I chose to wrap them because it would look pretty stupid if you don't wrap them. That's my opinion. Really, honestly, the only thing I feel like is a problem with these is the fact that they're cost so much. Like $320 for a set is pretty expensive, even for something that is supposed to be pretty high quality and durable. Like I said, we're going to be testing it out today and make sure they fit right and everything like that. So I actually bought my set from the homie Caesar. I'll put his Facebook right up in the top left or right corner. Be sure to check him out and inquire these if you are interested. He gave me a decent deal on these, so I appreciate it. Helping the channel out and then help you guys out hopefully. And if you guys have door handle problems, like I said, yeah, these are going for about $320 a set. Kind of insane. I did see actually the other day somebody on Facebook had a Temu set. I'll put a picture of what it looks like on screen. They just replaced the connections. Personally, I would not opt into getting these. For one, it looks like a pain in the ass to get right, and for two, if you're gonna spend the money, just spend the money on the right shit. That's just me. Like I said, we'll see how this goes. If this goes smoothly, hopefully I can give my best opinion on these, and hopefully you guys like the video, and we'll get right into it. So here we got the CRZ sitting all pretty and stuff. So yeah, here are the old door handles. Obviously still, I'm gonna show you guys how to take them off and shit. Mine does stick. I don't know why. We're gonna find that out today, but yeah, mine do stick like this, only on the driver's side. So I don't know what he did to fuck it up like that, but it does stick. So we're figuring that out today too, why that sticks. Yeah, it seems like it's been pretty simple though. We're just gonna be taking out the door card here. So it seems pretty simple. I think I removed this a few times already on the gray CRZ. But yeah, it's gonna be taking out this guy and then taking out these two bolts here, whatever pops off. So I'll grab the screwdriver and we'll get going to town. So this is pretty much everything you're gonna need. You're pretty much gonna need just these two and then a screwdriver. So like I said, you're gonna actually need a pick too. So you're gonna need a pick to pry out this inside there. You're gonna have a bolt under this little thing here, whatever you call that. You're gonna need a pick for to get that out as well. So you're gonna have two containers you gotta take out. And then both sides of these here you gotta take out. So you gotta take out the one that goes here. And then here. These things really suck. They broke on my gray CRZ. Took them out once. So it probably will break again. There it is. And it didn't break. Wow, what a surprise. These clips can be a big ass pain in the ass sometimes. Fucking ruin your day sometimes. So once you get this guy off, the door card, you're gonna have to look in here and you're gonna see there is a 10mm, 8mm bolt, I should say. And in order to get to the other bolt that holds on that door handle, you're gonna have to remove a plug. Looks something like this guy. Remove this guy right here that accesses this bolt here, and mine looks very fucking round, like it looks rounder than a fucking circle. So I should have a blast trying to get this out. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so now there's a few things you gotta do first. So you gotta take out these 3 screws. It looks like something like this. It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna have to take off this guy here. So this controls this guy. Bolt right here. Take that guy off. Then you can slide this fucker in. But you also have to remove the rail here for the window. It's fucking stupid. I don't know why you have to do that. It's stupid as fuck. But yeah, all you gotta do is that. And then this guy will push clear, apparently. And then it'll give you access to the bolt that you need to get out. Alright, so 2 years and 100 broken bolts later, we finally figured out how to get this stupid ass thing out of the thing. So all you're gonna do is gonna be a 5mm bolt. It looks something like this. Nope, that's not it. Looks something like this. It's gonna be fucking right here. You're not gonna be able to see it, so there's no point. That's what it looks like. It looks like a fucking Phillips or an 8mm when you're in there. It's not. Don't even try it. As you can see, it's round. So yeah, this guy's gonna be out now. There's pretty much no room to do anything in here, so that's the shitty part. So yeah, this guy's out. And the only thing we gotta remove now appears to be this round ass bolt that somebody took out incorrectly. So that should be exciting. That's the next thing to come out, and that looks like the only bolt left. Alright, so unless you're me, this next step will be really easy. So obviously you're moving this bolt here. You gotta take out that plug. It's really easy unless you're me and you use an extractor. So unless you're me, it'll go out pretty well. So yeah, so now we're gonna take off this guy. So it should just kind of slide a rooney out, just like so. So we're gonna be still using the other piece. Put this down so I don't break it. We're still gonna be using that bigger piece that the handle clips into. But the only difference is obviously it's metal instead of plastic. So now we get to tear apart this guy. Alright, so here's what the door handle's gonna look like. I don't know why mine does it, but as you can see, when it sticks like that, it's not supposed to do that. I think something's just kind of fucked. So yeah, we're gonna take this guy out. So it looks like we're gonna have to just remove this here. This guy is gonna be removed. Yeah, so apparently I just broke mine, which is, I guess, amazing. So here's the plastic one, as you can see, not broken currently, but totally messed up to where the point where it won't go down the same way. And as you can see, this thing here broke. I don't know why that broke. We're going to fix that now, apparently. So yeah, that's gonna be the next thing we're doing here. We're going to have to plastic weld this or super glue it somehow to get this in here. Okay, so I got the metal door handle all mapped up here, as you can see. Perfect color match, of course, because I'm a god. And yeah, everything lines up pretty good. So now we're gonna put it back in the car and see how it looks.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so actually it's been a long time since the last clip, but we got everything on. It's been like a long story. But to keep it short, they're all on, and as you can see, it looks pretty good. I put a dent right here in the door handle, so I'll be getting a new one of those later. I'm only going to be putting one side on in this video because it's going to be too long already, I know. So yeah, like I said, it all works once I unlock the car. So it all works really good. Fitment's really good. I have no problems once I installed it correctly. I had a lot of problems and I was really busy for about a week, so I had a lot of stuff going on. But yeah, as you guys can see, it is all in and on and works as should, and it's also pretty much color matched, as you can see. So let me know your guys' thoughts on that. Looks pretty good though. So let me know what you guys think about that. Like I said, These are a pretty hefty price. Hopefully you guys learn some about the install. I'm gonna compare you guys to them side by side so you guys know really the difference. So here we have the metal one, and sorry, I'm trying to get some good lighting. And as you can see, just overall it's just metal. It's really the only difference is what it's made out of. And as far as fitment went, it went very good. And as you can see, I wrapped this one, so that's why it looks like that. But yeah, it does not come painted. That's my biggest complaint, I feel like. If they came painted for the price of $320, I feel like that'd be a better deal. But still, it's really not worth $320, I feel like. This is my honest opinion. And like I said, Caesar, the dude who gave me these, real honest guy, and he really made a quality product here. But I've been hearing too that these are like Chinese made. So these did come from China. So I did talk to Caesar about that. And he told me pretty much he just made the file and then he sends it out to get made. And I don't know how much it costs to do all that. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know anything about that kind of stuff, but I do know it probably costs a lot less than $320. But like I said, it's his product, so I won't shit on it. Great design, it all works, I can't complain. The price point though is a little high, so that's something you guys are interested in if you don't have the money. Obviously, if you don't have the money, just buy some cheap eBay door handles. But yeah, these are very good quality. I would give them that. They're very good quality, and they have very good fitment. So you have no problems installing. And as long as you paint them or wrap them your color of your car, you won't have any problems, and it'll look pretty good. As you saw, mine matched up pretty well, so I'm pretty excited about that. Like I said, sorry this video took so long. It was supposed to be out like I think 3 weeks ago, but I've been running into a lot of roadblocks recently, and I'm actually in the midst of buying a house, so hopefully that all goes well. If that goes well, that'll be the next part of our lives here. So yeah, hopefully you guys are excited, because I'm pretty excited. And yeah, so we'll see you guys next video. All you motherfuckers, take care.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you try.